Wait lang. Sunod po. Wait lang. Dito sa gilid.
Sinasabi ko eh.
Wala eh. Ang ganda ng pwesto ko dun.
Okay. And of course, as I play the music, and of course, nilightan natin yung mga candles ni Kel. Sabay-sabay tayo kakandikit sa happy birthday song. I'm sure alam mo na yun, diba? After the song si Kel, after na nag-break ang wish, of course, si Kel lang yung mag-blow ng mga candles na. Okay? So, when one gets that, walang mag-blow ng candle, hindi si Kel. Okay? So, ready na ba, kids? Mami, wanna join? Back? Tapos sa record? Sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, now clap your hands! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy make a wish and then blow your candles. Ready? Okay! Thank you so much, Kian, for joining us this time. If you have a Kian naman. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Ano ba yun? Okay, pwede po ba mag-wish sa mga parents natin? Okay, isa natin with your mommy, of course.
Ang wish ko lang kay Kel, sana lumaki siyang kagaya ko. Mabait.
Sasagot na si Papa. Sasagot.
Wish ko lang kay Kel, sana lumaki siyang sana lumaking matalino and makatapos ng pag-aaral.
Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. So if you have a McDonald's and have a family kid, happy birthday. We wish you good health and of course, just enjoy your blessed life. Thank you so much for all the kids na nag-join sa mga games. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. This time, sit down na kayo, relax. I'm going to serve the food and it's eating time.
Ay talaga, sobra ka na.
Wala akong ginagawa masama.
Wala ka na, nandun lang ako.
Wala, ayoko.
Tama na, stop na.